Hello everyone. Welcome to the continuing series on inquiry-based geometry. I just want to carry on from the last lesson where I spoke about how I was going to experiment with drawing pictures with straight lines and with curved lines. Just some tips about the compass. Probably the first thing is having this thing tightly wound into its sort of holder is an important thing. Having the pencil and the pointy bit roughly in line also helps, if I think about it. And it's hardest to do when this thing is really small. When that's a bit bigger, the kind of rotating it around is actually easier when it's bigger. Now, the other thing that's really important is when you are rotating it, gripping it from the very top here, makes it so much easier. So if you're kind of doing your circle by doing that, that makes a huge difference. Now, it's still harder when the radius is smaller, but, and you can see the reason I think I found it hard was my pencil was a little bit lower than the pointy bit. So yeah, you get better the more you do it. But just even for me, you practice your technique, you see where things are hard, and then you make modifications to improve. I really found it quite enjoyable, actually, just the process of thinking of a picture that possibly I could draw using straight lines or curved lines. And I hope you had as much fun as I did. Okay, see you next time, and I hope you enjoy the time lapses of how I did them.